Ever pondered how essential wildlife-friendly gardening is to our environment? The truth is, it's a game changer. By building a space that welcomes birds, bees, and butterflies, we contribute to increased biodiversity, support essential pollinators, and even help tackle climate change. Plus, it's not just about making a positive impact. Wildlife-friendly gardening is an enjoyable hobby that anyone can embrace, adding a dash of nature's charm to our daily lives. Creating a wildlife-friendly garden is not only beneficial, but also a fun and fulfilling activity. Ready to contribute to a healthier environment? Here's how you can create your own wildlife-friendly garden. Firstly, choose native plants. These are already adapted to your local climate and soil, and local wildlife will be more likely to visit. Next, provide a water source. A simple bird bath or a small pond can do wonders in attracting a range of creatures, from birds to frogs. Now, let's talk about creating habitats. Consider leaving a pile of logs or rocks in a quiet corner. These can serve as perfect hiding places for hedgehogs, insects, and other small creatures. Avoiding pesticides is key. These chemicals can harm beneficial insects and other wildlife. Opt for organic and natural pest control methods instead. Lastly, consider food sources. Bird feeders, butterfly bushes, or fruit trees can provide essential sustenance for visiting wildlife. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a haven for wildlife in your own backyard. Now that you know how, it's time to get your hands dirty and start your own wildlife-friendly garden. Think about the stress relief, the invigorating exercise, and the immense satisfaction of nurturing a healthier environment. Remember, every plant counts, and it's never too late to start. Excited to start your journey towards a wildlife-friendly garden? Then, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow green thumbs, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening guides and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy gardening!